Hi and welcome to Royal Catering. In this episode I want to show you a tomato slicer from Royal Catering. A device perfect for catering companies, burger shops and the like, so any place where you would need a lot of tomato slices. A very important safety feature is the fact that the device has suction caps, and quite efficient they are. Let me just show you, alright? So trust me, this is quite a porous table, and even though it gets stuck to it pretty fast, you don't need a qualified chef in order to get perfect and even slices. Anyone can operate it. So let's see how it works. All you have to do is drop the tomato on the slide, grab it, push it, and you get perfect tomato slices. The whole device is made of stainless steel and there's 10 sharp, razor sharp blades, so you get up to 11 tomato slices. Each slice is 5.5 millimeters thick. So obviously it's perfect for tomatoes, but you can also slice some other vegetables. So if you're doing a lot of salads, you can put a cucumber in it or an onion or whatever you really feel like. I would stay away from hard vegetables like a beetroot, for example. What else is nice? There's no ball or slide bearings on it. Whoopsie. Let me just put it on the side. It's all plastic, solid plastic, that's on 2 rolls, and that's how it slides. So there's no place where the dirt can accumulate, and it's easy to clean. Talking about cleaning, well, the truth is it's solid piece of stainless steel, so you can drop the whole device into the dishwasher and clean it out. If you want to do a really thorough clean, you have to take a tool and disassemble the device, and everything is nice because there's only few screws here and there. You unscrew it basically down to its single parts. If you're interested in this one, there's also a potato slicer from Royal Catering, so you can go on the website and check it out. But if you order this one, it will come in a box just like this. Lots of packaging material in it, instruction manual as well, so it will stay safe in the transport. Along with the box and the device, you also get a 3-year warranty, so whatever happens to it, you can just send it back, they'll fix it, and you get it back in no time. So if you like our video, just let me know in the comments what other device you would like me to test. So thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.